Hi, I'm Pam, and I'm here to help you turn your kitchen into a family-friendly lab. Together, we'll discuss chemistry, biology, botany, nutrition, physics, and more. So join me and my friends here in my home, in my kitchen, and in my lab at Kitchen Science. Hey, so I'm getting ready to start building my volcano. This is my countertop Play-Doh. So I'm building it on the aluminum foil around because it makes it a little bit easier to transport the volcano once you're done. I'm molding the volcano around the little Play-Doh cup, and it helps because it's going to hold the citric acid and baking soda mixture that we're going to add in a little later. If you don't have a Play-Doh cup, you can use any kind of container that's going to be waterproof. As you can see, just make sure you build up the volcano so that you can't see the container on the inside. Here are the 3 volcanoes I made. The bright green one was made from store-bought Play-Doh, and the other 2 are from the homemade Play-Doh. Hey, welcome back. So earlier I showed you how to make Play-Doh, either the stovetop version or the countertop version. So I have some left here. And then using that Play-Doh, we made a couple of volcanoes. So here's a volcano made with the speckled Play-Doh and one with the all green Play-Doh. And I also have one over here made with the store-bought Play-Doh. So right now, I'm going to assemble our volcano. So you have your volcano, and you have your little cup inside. I guess I'll move this one over too. So let them dry out, because we're going to assume you're using this for like a science fair project or something. So they're going to end up being a little bit dry once you get done with the science fair project. So if you want to freshen up the color, you just kind of spritz it with some water. And what we're going to do, the mixture that I'm going to use is going to be citric acid and baking soda. So it's going to be a dry mixture that's going to go in. And I already have some here in my bowl. So you can use the scale, or you can use the measuring cups. And just measure out 50-50. And I may actually need a little bit more. So what I'm going to do, I'm not using the scale. I'm going to go ahead. And this is just so that I don't get powder everywhere. The half cup is going in. And then the citric acid, you get that from the pickling section in your grocery store. So if you go to where you have mason jars in your grocery store, you should see the citric acid there. If not, it may be in your baking section. It's making a little bit of powder, so you want to be careful. I don't know if you can see it, but a little bit of the dust is kind of coming up. And it'll get you. It'll get you. Yep, let's get you. So the powder is really, really fine. So you're going to mix it together. And remember, it's 50-50 citric acid and baking soda. Alright. So keep our mix over here. And we're going to spoon it into our volcanoes. some lumps in there. I have a mortar and pestle, so I think I'm gonna break some of these lumps up. Okay, so we're smushing the lumps in, and the powder's making my nose run. Okay, we have our volcanoes set, and having the baking soda and the citric acid mixed in together, we already have our acid and base mixed together. So normally when people make volcanoes, they use baking soda and then they use vinegar. But this makes it a little bit easier. We can get a bit more creative when we make our lava. Okay, so it's time to make our lava. And what I'm using is actually tomato sauce, which is slightly acidic. So here's some cheap tomato sauce. Water. The water's to kind of thin it out. Use the water to thin it out. You don't want it too thick, or it's a low well. Okay. Give that a stir. Make sure it's nice and kind of loosed up. Look more lavely. You're going to put it in a spouted container, so something a little bit easier for you to pour with. And try not to make a mess pouring it from your bowl to your spouted container. Then you want to add a little Dawn to it. I have some soap, dish soap. I'm going to add that to it here. A couple of gloves of it. I'm going to add some to your lava mixture, to your tomato sauce. Add some soap here. Dish, and I'll pop my volcano in. That's just to catch the lava. There we go. Look at this mess. We get red food coloring, which kind of make it red, but adding tomato sauce makes it look more fun. I'm trying to contain the mess a little bit here. I call this volcano range for this range Mountain State Kitchen. So I have our Play-Doh one from the store-bought Play-Doh and another homemade Play-Doh. And we have roasted volcanoes. Hey, so that's how you make a homemade volcano. So I showed you how to make your own Play-Doh, how to mold it into a volcano shape, and then how to actually make the volcano itself and how to make it erupt. So using tomato sauce works really well. If you don't have tomato sauce, you can get a whole tomato and smush it up and then add some water to it with your soap, and that'll give you a nice little eruption. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I had a lot of fun making it, and I'm gonna, I guess, keep on making them erupt until I'm done. Bye. So I'm going to fill up my fourth and final volcano in our little kitchen volcano range. Little kitchen range here. And you can see they just keep on erupting. So that's why I like the citric acid and baking soda. And you can see the effect of using tomato sauce mix. So it looks more like lava than just water. Add some more. These two are my favorite. And if the eruption stops, stick a little spoon in there, just give it a stir, and break up some of the citric acid and baking soda mixture. Just add a little more lava mix.